Basta resemblance lang to, mga subscribers ko. Resemblance lang to ha. Comic style na resemblance. Kaya kaya you will not see this a perfect pointing finger. Basta yung resemblance lang. Resemblance lang siya. I'm not so good in alam nyo, I was inspired dun sa yung mga nagtututuro ngayon. Pointing fingers to each other. Ayan. Mukha na bang nagtututuro yan? It's okay. Resemblance lang naman ang importante. Ayan. Mukha na ba nagtututuro? Nako, eto. Gumawa ako ng isa. Ang camera naka-off. Mahina. Mahina ang internet na dito. So, itong ginawa ko, kala ko naka-on ang camera. Parang, of course, ginawan ko muna ng circle, Ngayon, parang sa katuturo, nagluya yung kamay. Nagmukhang luya yung kamay, Okay. So, ayan. Nagluya ang kamay. Hindi ako masyadong mahusay sa anatomy, mga subscribers. Pasensyahan nyo na. Comic ito. Comic style. Kaya kahit anong position okay na. Basta ang importante yung resemblance, 'di ba? Hindi ba? Resemblance siya na nagtututuro. Pero ito isang daliri nagmukhang luya sa katuturo. Basta ang importante yung resemblance, no? Yan. Okay na ba yan? Namatay yung ano, yung camera. O yan. Namatay yung camera ngayon. O. So, this is one pointing finger. Yung maliit na daliri, nakalikip-kip doon. Okay. And then, we will erase this part. Burahin natin yan. Yan. Ano? Isa. So, ito. Sorry yung camera, hindi naka-on. Naka-off pala. So, I have to repeat. Pasmado na yung kamay ko, kaya I'm wearing gloves. Cotton gloves ito, kasi pinagpapawisan eh. Dumudumi ang papel. Lumalahid dito sa drawing. So, now, ang simula, circle ulit, ano? Ito, nagawa ko ng, hindi naman perfect na circle ito eh, no? Pero okay lang. Kukunin lang natin yung ano. Kasi nga pasmado na yung kamay ko, my subscribers. Pasensya na. Okay. Part ng process yan eh. Part ng process itong ginagawa ko na to na isang klase ng pointing fingers. Okay, there. Okay? Oh, lakihan natin tong isang daliri na nagtuturo. Yan. Okay. So, I'm using two pencil. Isang light and isang dark. Kasi yung dark, yan ang... Oh, yan. So, I'm just showing you my technique. Ang mga artists have different style of doing it. And they have, iba-ibang style. Iba-iba rin ang... Iba-ibang style and iba-ibang technique of how to do it. And art is an expression, not a competition. Kaya hindi pwedeng sabihin na maganda yon, maganda to, pangit to. No, it is an expression, not a competition. Dapat, when we see a work of an artist, we have to appreciate them. We can always give our opinion, insights, and input, but in a positive way. Okay? Hindi na natin pupunahin pa na ugly yun, ito maganda. No. Appreciate it na. Appreciate. O, yan. From the circle, from the not perfect circle, we'll create a pointing finger. Kasi nowadays, ang dami nagtuturuan, So, let's do one. Hello, to all my subscribers, local and overseas. Here we are again. So, ang, ang topic natin ngayon ay, it's about different kinds of pointing fingers. So, gagawa ako ng mga different kinds of pointing fingers. Iba-ibang posisyon. So, some are comic style. Meron ding real. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. So, I'm just showing you my style, my technique of doing it. I'm not actually teaching you, but I'm just giving you an idea on how to do it visually. Because I was I'm a teacher of preschool and elementary. So, what I'm teaching to them is according to their level. Hindi level ng high school, hindi level ng college. So, medyo all the basics at saka simple lang. Okay? So, kung ano man yung makita ninyo, you can always adapt it. You can always use it.